When your Cadillac displays a reduced steering assist warning, it's indicating that the electric power steering system has detected a fault and switched to fail-safe mode. The system provides minimal steering assistance while maintaining basic steering functionality, ensuring the vehicle remains safe to drive. This issue affects several Cadillac models, including current models from 2018 to 2025 and legacy models from 2013 to 2019. Statistics show that approximately 3 to 5% of these vehicles experience this warning within their first 100,000 miles. The electric power steering system consists of 5 primary components. The EPS control module acts as the brain, processing sensor inputs. The electric motor provides steering assistance torque. The steering angle sensor monitors wheel position and rotation speed, while the torque sensor measures driver input force. Finally, the vehicle speed sensor adjusts assistance levels based on driving speed. When diagnosing steering assist issues, technicians look for specific diagnostic trouble codes. The most common is C0545, indicating a steering angle sensor circuit malfunction, occurring in 35% of cases. Other common codes include C0550 for ECU malfunction, C0899 for low device voltage, and U0115 for invalid data received from the EPS module. Understanding these codes helps technicians quickly identify the root cause. When diagnosing the reduced steering assist warning, understanding the most common causes helps technicians focus their troubleshooting efforts effectively. The steering angle sensor accounts for 35% of all cases, making it the most frequent culprit. EPS control module failures represent 25%, while low system voltage causes 20% of issues. Wiring harness problems cause 15% of cases, while software calibration issues account for the remaining 5%. The diagnostic process begins with an initial scan using a GM multiple diagnostic interface to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes. This professional tool connects directly to the vehicle's computer systems. Next, technicians perform live data analysis to monitor steering angle, torque, and voltage parameters in real time while the vehicle operates. Component testing involves individual testing of sensors and actuators, followed by calibration verification to ensure the latest software versions are installed. Repair costs vary significantly depending on the root cause. Steering angle sensor replacement typically costs between $200 and $400, including parts and labor. EPS control module replacement is more expensive, ranging from $800 to $1,500 due to the complexity of the part and required programming. Wiring harness repairs cost between $300 and $600, while software calibration updates are the most affordable at $100 to $200. The EPS control module is the brain of the steering system. When replaced, it must be programmed with the vehicle's VIN and calibrated to work properly with other systems. Preventive maintenance can help avoid many steering assist issues. Regular battery testing ensures adequate voltage, while annual software updates address known calibration problems. Keeping connections clean and inspected prevents many electrical faults. Professional diagnosis is crucial for accurate repair. While these guidelines help understand the system, proper diagnostic equipment and training ensure the most cost-effective solution.